If a student says they cannot see the assessment in your course, that means it's unpublished. And you can see here, this assessment is published, this one's unpublished, and I can see that pretty clearly because it says hidden. If I need to publish that assessment, I just need to click on the gear to the right and click Publish and say OK. Now that quiz has been published, so the student can see it, but let's make sure that it is actually available to the student. So I want to make sure I'm going to go in here and say View Course As, select one of my students, and you're actually going to get their view of the course. So I'll click on that quizzes folder, and okay, the linear applications test has been published. She can see it, but when she clicks on it, it says it's unavailable. If you run into this error, I'm going to go back to course so that I'm back in my own view. If you run into that error, what you need to do is make it available. So it can be published so that students know it's coming up, but maybe not available because you don't want them to take it until class actually starts and you don't want them to see the questions ahead of time. So what you can then do is, in your view, click on the test, click Settings, and then there's an availability setting that by default says hide now. That's so you don't accidentally make it available before class. And you can just say available now right when class starts, or you can actually give it a date and time range. Make sure you go down to the bottom and save changes.